Hello, peace and blessings everyone. So I am Fahila Sarang and today I am going to speak a little about a fruit which is known as Morinda citrifolia. Now one interesting fact about this fruit would be that the tree of this fruit, very commonly found in areas of Hawaii, in subtropical and tropical areas, is that this fruit is known as the painkiller tree or the headache tree. Now why was that? Is because when people in those areas ingested the fruit or the leaves of these tree, they felt that their body was energetic and it got rid of the pain. Now there were when scientists researched about this, there were basically like two stories to the two sides to the coin, and that were one, that maybe the active component zeronin, which is also a very good cell enhancer and regulator, is helping the body get rid of the pain, and the other would be that this fruit has a lot of unknown phytonutrients. They are all helping the body to heal, and that is why the body ultimately heals itself, heals the problem, heals the cell which is damaged. And these pains usually arise from the brain area, so the body is healing that, and that is why the body is getting rid of the pain. Now in the end, all what I went through when the research was done is that basically we are at the the winning side. It's a win-win situation. Even if it's zeronin or if any other undiscovered material, the end story is that the body heals itself. All we want in life is that there is no pain, there is no stress, and Morinda citrifolia turns out to be one of the best and the healthiest fruits in our earth. Now another fun fact about this very interesting fruit would be that if you see this fruit, if you have seen this fruit, and if you can smell it or taste, if you have ever smelled or tasted this fruit, would be that this fruit is also known as the puke fruit. And that is generally why, because the stench is unbearable. It has a rotten kind of smell, and that is not something that humans would generally like to ingest. So another thing that I would like to add over here is that in DXN we have our Noni-Z juice, a juice which is basically like a hope in the bottle. Now there has been many researches which state that people who have had cancer is basically where your body cells have gone rogue, or your body cells are not functioning as they should have. So if your cells have gone rogue, along with the treatment that you're taking, if you supplement it, if you give your body Noni-Z juice, DXN Noni-Z juice, which is again very, very natural, without any preservatives, without any additives, in its purest natural form, it will help the body to heal itself. It will help the body to go and find the certain, because it is a very good adaptogen also, it will help the body, it will help the cells to get healthy, get rid of the sickened cells, get rid of the cells which are not doing the body any good, and basically help the body. It also functions synergistically, and that is basically it will cut down the blood regulation to those bad cells or those tumor cells. There was one very interesting research done with mice, where some mice were with cancer were given Morinda juice, some were not. So definitely it was found that there was a prolonged life increase in the mice which were given Morinda juice as treatment for cancer. So definitely it can also help in healing the body. And your body, as we all know, the body tries to speak to us. So if there is any pain in certain kind of the body, don't pop any antibiotics, don't pop any painkillers. You have your nature's painkiller over here, and this will help you more better, and this will help in body's ways that not even doctors have discovered yet. So definitely this is one go for people who have pain, who have low energy levels, who find it very hard to get up in the morning. Many researchers also state that people with mental health issues, they can also benefit from Morinda. Morinda has Morinda citrifolia juice, which is again a DXN Noni-Z. It also has several active components such as your serotonin, which helps to cure mental problems and depression and mood swings. Another thing which is like a personal testimonial is that many girls or many women or friends in my friend circle, we have females who are suffering from issues of PCOD or hormonal health or PCOS, okay, something to do with the reproductive system. And this is a well debated issue, and one certain advantage for that would be that there is our hormones, and these hormones are not getting the enough nutrition. The body is not getting enough nutrition, and hormones are chemical messengers running throughout the body, and if these are also not getting enough nutrition, basically it is going to affect the reproductive health. So one thing would be to have Noni-Z, as this will also help to give your, regulate your hormonal balance. Make sure that your hormones are in good balance, whether it is estrogen, progesterone, LH, FS, FSH, and again work as an enzyme booster. Help when you take Morinji juice early in the morning, it will help give you nice energy levels. Again, people who are suffering from a lot of issues of cardiovascular health or of blood pressure, there are researches that this miraculous juice also helps to get your blood sugar levels, your blood pressure levels, blood sugar levels again in the normal mid-range. So this is also, these are just some of the pinpointed benefits of our DX and Noni-Z juice. Other than that, what I would really like to point on is that as we know that we are facing the current pandemic, which is of course because our immunity is not on point, Morinda citrifolia also helps to generate T cells and regulate them, and that is why it is also a very good immune modulator. This is a juice this is a fruit, this is a juice which is having more than 200 active nutrients, phytonutrients, and it is time we learn about them, and it is time that we ingest them, and it is time we make them a part of our daily diet, as this will help us a lot. Along with that, I would really request all to take this juice. Make sure that your own immunity, your own immune guard is set up. You don't have a bodyguard, you have an immune guard which is set up, and at the same time taking care of your immune guard, you are also doing a service to the humanity these days. You are also taking care of people whom you are living with, whom you are living around, and definitely for the world altogether. So that's just my small message on Morinda citrifolia, one of my favorite fruits that I've been learning on and discovering, and hope inshallah I'll reach out to you soon with any other things that I do learn about it. Thank you so much for watching.